So I have here a chain of 7. Let me see. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and then go to the second chain from your hook. 1 2, insert, yarn over and pull, yarn over, pulls for 2. So go to the next chain, place 1 single crochet, then 1 single crochet per chain until the last chain. You should have 6 single crochet in total. So 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, chain 1 and turn for round 3, 1 single crochet in the very first stitch. 1, go to the next stitch, place 1 single crochet and then 1 single crochet per stitches until the last stitch, and you should have 6 single crochet in total. And then I'm gonna repeat making 1 single crochet per stitches. I repeated round 3 until I reach. You can add more if you want. So now I'm gonna make a chain of 1, then turn, 2 single crochet in the very first stitch. So that's 1, and then in the same stitch, that's 2. Then 1 single crochet in the next stitch until the last stitch. So you should have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 stitches in total. So now we are increasing. Chain 1 and turn, and I will just repeat round 16. Now we are in round 17. 2 single crochet in the very first stitch, and then 1 single crochet per stitches until the last stitch. Then I'm gonna repeat that until I get the length that I want. To get the size of your bikini bottom, this one I fit this with my panty I wear every day, or with a bikini if you want to get the right size for you. So once you're done, chain 1, pull tight and cut the yarn. So I have 36 rows in total. So now we're gonna turn and do the back area. So I'm gonna insert my hook here in the very first stitch, and then I'm gonna make a slip knot to begin, and then pull that one and make a chain of 1. In the very first stitch, place 2 single crochet, which is here. 1 2 3 4 5 6, just making sure. So insert your hook here and place 2 single crochet. So that's 1. Then insert your hook in the same stitch, that's 2. Go in the next stitch, place 1 single crochet until the second last stitch. So once you are in the last stitch, place 2 single crochet. 1, and then 2. Next round, chain 1 and then turn, 2 single crochet in the first stitch. 1, 2. 1 single crochet per stitches. 1 2 3 4 5 6.
Mom, do what?
I am here in my last stitch. I'm gonna place 2 single crochet there. 1 and then 2. And this is what should look like. So this one here, we only increase 1 time, and then we increase 2 times here. 1 here and then 1 here in the end as well. So I'm gonna repeat that round until I get the length that I want, to enough to cover my back area for my bikini bottom. So go ahead, do that, and I'm gonna meet you once I'm done. So I have here 33 rows in total at the back, and this fits for me already. You can try it on if this is enough for your back, and just add more rows if it's not. So I'm here in my last stitch, making my last single crochet. So now I'm not going to add more rows. I'm gonna stop in round 33. So now we're going to make the strap. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Make enough number of chain for the strap. I have here a chain of 40 in total. You can add more if you want it longer, or 41. So once you're done, chain 1, pull tight, and you can cut the yarn. That, and then I'm going to repeat this one on the other side by making just insert your hook there, here in the corner or in the first stitch, and then make a slip knot and pull and make a chain, same number like the other one, the first we made, which is a chain of 41. 1, 2, 3, and 41. So chain 1, pull tight, and cut the yarn, and repeat here on the other side, here and here. And there you go, it's done. So now I'm going to make a knot here in the end of the string, so just like that. So I'm gonna repeat that in all of the strap, and then I'm gonna cut the rest of this yarn here, then it is much cleaner. Okay, there you go. Repeat that in all of the string or strap, and you're done.